Natural hair isn't high maintenance, it just requires understanding. And once you understand your hair, everything changes. I'm Janet, your healthy hair coach. And if you've been following this series, you've probably realized something already. It's not that natural hair is too much, it's that we've been approaching it in a way that makes it feel like too much. So let's talk about the real mindset shift, because this is where everything starts to click. Most people approach natural hair like this. What products do I need? What routine is trending? What is everyone else doing? And without realizing it, you start chasing perfection. Perfect curls, perfect styles, perfect results quickly. But that mindset is what keeps you stuck. When you're always chasing perfection, you're constantly changing things, switching products, restarting routines, and never giving anything enough time to actually work. So here's the shift I want you to make. Instead of asking, what's the perfect routine? Start asking things like, what works for my hair and my life and my routine? Because your routine has to fit into your real life, not an ideal version of it. Your schedule, your energy levels, your responsibilities, especially as a mum. Because let me be honest, our time is not unlimited. So our routine shouldn't feel like a burden. It should feel like something we can manage even on our busiest days. And this is where understanding your hair really comes in. When you understand what your hair actually needs, you stop doing the most and start doing what actually matters. You realize you don't need 15 million products, you don't need complicated steps, and you certainly don't need anything else. You just need to be consistent, you need to be patient, and you need a routine that you can repeat, because healthy hair is not built on one good week. It's built over time through small, consistent habits, where even when they're not perfect. So if you've been feeling like maybe my hair just isn't growing, maybe I'm not doing this right, honestly, pause for a second, give yourself some grace. You might not be doing anything wrong. You might just be inconsistent or overwhelmed or trying to do too much all at once. And that's fixable. Once you shift your mindset from perfection to consistency, from doing more to doing what actually works, everything just becomes that much more easier. Not instantly, but steadily starting in place and sustainably. So I want you to take this with you. Your hair does not need perfection. Your kids don't need either. It needs consistency, it needs understanding, and it needs a routine that fits your life and your schedule. And once you build that, you stop feeling so overwhelmed. You stop second guessing yourself, and you start seeing actual real results. If this has resonated with you, please tell me in the comments section, what mindset shift do you need to make right now? Let's build routines that actually work. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.